Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to deposit money in Polymarket. First, open Polymarket in your browser and log in to your account. Make sure you are fully logged in before moving to the next step. After you log in, look at the top of the screen. You will see a button that says Deposit. Click on the Deposit button. Once you click it, a menu will appear with different deposit options. You can choose the method that works best for you. The first option is to deposit with crypto. This option has no limit, and the transfer is usually instant once the transaction is confirmed on the network. The next option is to deposit with a debit card. This method has a limit of $20,000. The transfer usually takes around 5 minutes to complete. You will also see the exchange section. This option has no limit, and the money is usually transferred within 2 minutes. The last option is PayPal. PayPal has a limit of $10,000, and it usually takes about 5 minutes for the money to arrive in your account. Select your preferred method. For example, if you choose debit card, enter the amount you want to deposit. Then select the provider, such as MoonPay. After that, you will be asked to log in to your MoonPay account. If you do not have one, you will need to create a new account. Follow the steps to verify your details. Once that is done, you can continue with the transfer and complete the payment process. Thanks for watching.